That's right. Tetteh of Jamaica College expected to control this one and possibly see him try to do that from the early stages when we get going with this race. Likes to run from the front.
Race scheduled to get underway at 9:13. It is now 9:17 with the 400 hurdles Girls Open final scheduled for 9:41. The boys class 2 9:49 and the final race 9:56. Still on course to be on time at the end, even if they are 4 minutes behind at this stage. Final of the 2000 Steeplechase Open for boys. Brian Kiprop, the reigning champion. He represented Kingston College, no longer in high school, and so there's an opportunity for a new champion to be crowned in this event. They are sent to their marks. Well, you just can't false start in this event. 2000 Steeplechase final, the record set in 2018 by Ariamania Rogers of Kingston College, the Ugandan. Last season, Evans Tetteh of Jamaica College in his first year at Champs. The Ghanaian taking 2 silver medals at the steeplechase and 5,000 meters, beaten by Brian Kiprop in the steeplechase and Ryan Achao St. Jago in the 5,000 meters. This year, though, there is no Brian Kiprop, and so he's been the dominant force in this 2,000 meter steeplechase event. And the Jamaica College boy in the middle of the pack at the moment. You can see him with the black strip across his nostril. 2:88. The early leader, Obina Reid of Clarendon College. Third fastest this season. He was just outside the medals last year. He is favoured for a medal this season. Kingston College, they have 2 very good competitors in the field. Christopher Anderson and Jeremy Jones. Both decent 1500 runners coming out of the Class 2 ranks last season. And now Evans Tetteh takes closer orders. His Ghanaian counterpart and Jamaica College teammate Dominic Mponsa is now in 5th position. The JC team looking for big points in this 2000 steeplechase final.
Yes, but it's Reid of Clarendon College who has the lead. He wants to set himself up. He knows he's one of the stronger contenders in this field and that he can get a medal. He will have to set himself up. He knows the danger of Tetteh and Mponsa. So doing the early running in hopes that he can get clear of the field and maintain, but already has company from KC's.
Yeah, that's Jeremy Jones, who has gone to the lead for Kingston College. 6th in the 1500 Class 2 final last year, stepping into the steeplechase this season, but Tetteh will have none of it and he goes right back to the front. Pablo will quicken the pace as well to make it difficult for the others to hang. Mponsa has stepped forward as well for Jamaica College, running wide, trying to get back into lane number 1 as Evans Tetteh takes control of this 2000 steeplechase final for boys. Obina Reid won the Central Champs title earlier this season. Oh, there is a tumble. It's Obina Reid who has gone down, and that leaves the Jamaica College boys 1 and 2 with Jeremy Jones of Kingston College in 3rd. The Central champion went down, and now it will be a mountain to climb for him to be able to secure a medal. Wow.
Went from 1st all the way down to 6th. Reid of Clarendon College. Always very dangerous, these events. Clearance of the barriers, very important.
Just under 2 laps to go in the 2000 steeplechase final. Jamaica College 1 and 2. Edwin Allen went 1-2 in the girls final. And now Jamaica College trying to do the same in the boys final. Kingston College have Jeremy Jones in third position at this stage, but Evans Tetteh is pouring it on in this championship race.
Doing what we expected to see from the first stages, but working his way into a good and nice rhythm as he has 2 laps to go when he comes to the finish line.
Now he'll be coming to the bell lap at the end of this one. Evans Tetteh, this is exactly what the doctor ordered for Jamaica College. Amponsa starting to feel this quick pace from Evans Tetteh. Big moment for Jamaica College going into the 400 hurdles finals. They've held a lead of between 47 and 54 points since the start of the day, and they would dearly love to hold on to that at the end of day number 4. Evans Tetteh of Jamaica College leads the 2000 steeplechase final. Last season's silver medalist has been the dominant force this season. No one has gotten close to him. He's remained unbeaten, and he's expected to stay unbeaten at the end of this one. Dominic Amponsa of Jamaica College continues to be in second position. Danger might lurk from Javon Henry of Belfield, who I think has gone into third. The battle could be on for silver, but Evans Tetteh is all alone. He is 60 meters clear of his countryman and schoolmate Dominic Amponsa. The final water drum coming up for Evans Tetteh. He negotiates it well enough. Last year's silver medalist heads down the straightaway. Evans Tetteh of Jamaica College holding his form beautifully. Here's the final barrier. He negotiates it well. The record is safe. Does he go sub 6 minutes? Evans Tetteh drives towards the line and secures his first champs gold medal. It comes in the 2000 steeplechase after 2 silvers last year. He is a champion in 2026. 6 minutes 00.56. Dominic Amponsa gets maximum points for JC with his second place finish. The Ghanaians embrace. They have done Auto Prone a great service.
16 points to Jamaica College. Tetteh, Evans Tetteh, the gold medalist, and Dominic Amponsa gets silver for Jamaica College. Javon Henry of Belfield, third, 6 minutes 26.52 seconds.
Save a moment for the central champion, Abina Reid of Clarendon College. Fully expected to medal this year after a 4th place finish last year, but a tumble meant the end of his campaign, the end of his quest for a champs medal at 2000 steeplechase. But the moment belongs to Jamaica College. They are 1-2. Jeremy Jones of Kingston College ran very well for 4th. So trying to cushion the blow of the Jamaica College 1-2. But it looks like an uphill task now for KC to defend this boys champs title. It's been a dominant effort from Jamaica College, and I think JC knew that the closer it got going into the final day, the more difficult it would be to hold off Kingston College when they have the fans inside the National Stadium and the drums are going off, the vuvuzelas. But they are trying to finish it before it gets to crunch time.